Good morning. Today is a Saturday morning. Time right now is 11:15. That is 15 minutes past 11 a.m. So today I decided to clean this planted tank of ours. This is tank number one. This is the first tank uh, in recent times that I had. And look at the growth. This is Valisneria. That's all over the place. We have a couple of black mollies and a couple of tiger barbs. Is there somewhere, it's not visible though. And if you have a look from the top, you might just see the black molly fries. You see one there? They were born in this tank. And you might see another one here. They have got a nice place to hide. Apart from that, there are a couple of snails. That's a big one out there, this yellowish one here. So I believe the ecosystem is all set. But it's difficult to copy nature. Nature is supreme. Those are the two fries which are hiding at that corner. Okay, this is one big black molly in this corner. Alright, so it's time to clean. So first of all I need to use this glass scraper to scrape off the algae. Not much of algae though, but still I need to scrape off the glass to keep it nice and clean. All four sides. And then I need to siphon out the water into that bucket, and I'll use that water to water my potted plants. So aquarium water which is filled with fish poop is good for plants because fish poop is rich in nitrogen and ammonia, which is beneficial to the plants. Okay, I believe the glass is already nice and clean, so it's time to siphon the water out. So let me do that. Bear with me. Okay, so I've siphoned out 60% of the water. The level is right up to this much, and that's the water that came out. And the poop, it's filthy because of the poop. Alright, so I need to allow this water to settle down, the impurities to settle down, because I'm not sure if I have siphoned out the fish fries, the black molly fries. I need to wait for the water, for the impurities to settle down and the water to become clean, so that I can look into the water to understand if I have siphoned out the fish fries or not. If not, then I'll put this water in the fish, sorry, not in the fish, the plants that I have. And if I find out that there are a couple of fries moving around, then I need to fish them, put them back into the aquarium. Alright, so this is how it looks like from the top. Looks like a jungle. Now it's time to pour fresh water into it. Alright, so I've filled up the tank with clean and fresh water, and it seems that the fish are loving it. Yep, they can sense the fresh and clean water. Alright, so that's all in this video. Oh, I forgot to switch the pump on. I need to fill it up with water first. let me pour some water in it. Okay, need to connect the cable. Where did it go? Where did it go? There you go. This one. Yeah, there you go. Oops, it's filling up the tank with dirty water. I think it needs to be cleaned. The pump needs to be cleaned. Okay, so I'll clean the pump and I'll run it then. Okay, see, it filled the water with a lot of dirt. Oh gosh. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.